Hazrat Nafi states that Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, in Allah's Apostle times, the companions radiyallahu anhum of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would see a dream, and then they would narrate it to him sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would tell about it what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. I then was a young boy, and before marriage my house was masjid. So I said to myself, had there been any good in you, you would also have seen dreams like them. At night when I was about to sleep, I invoked, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if you find any good in me, you may make me see a dream. In this very state I went to sleep. Then two angels came to me, each of them holding an iron hammer. They took me to hell, and I, in between them, was invoking Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I seek refuge in you against hell. Then I was shown that an angel met me carrying an iron hammer in his one hand. He said to me, don't be scared. You are a good man if you keep on performing the prayers abundantly. So they again set out along with me until they stopped me at the edge of hell. It was a spiral like a well, and it had edges like a well, and between each edge there was an angel holding an iron hammer in his hand. And I then saw that some men were suspended therein, shackled with their heads down. I identified some Qurayshi men amongst them. Then they returned, taking me back from the right side. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7028.